I want you to imagine that you have a trading strategy, a strategy that allows you to ride explosive moves to the upside and downside with absolute precision. An explosive strategy that seeks not just low risk and high probability setups, but also very high potential ones that are proven to net you 20 to 30% gains within a short time frame, which of course is every trader's dream, to have so many high potential trade setups filtered with this strategy that you can't actually trade them all. Well, good news for you. This strategy is finally reviewed for the first time ever, and I'm willing to show you exactly how it works.
Hey everybody, this is Choy here, top tier Remisier in Philips Securities and Chief Trainer at Trading Possible. So if you are currently trading the stock market or you are considering doing it, then this workshop is absolutely one that you don't want to miss. But don't take my word for it, see what others are saying right over here. So if you like it, just click on the link below to register for this free introductory workshop, and I will show you the power of this explosive trading strategy. So I look forward to seeing you real soon. Check what others are saying right now.
I've never heard of explosive pattern, so that is very powerful. I've never heard about it anywhere, any of the courses, any of the seminar that I attended. Yeah, never. It's really simple. Everybody can do it. You just follow whatever Joey told you, and it's very, very powerful. Yes, everybody can understand anybody. And I wish I had known about all these before I start to trade.
Oh, it's completely nowhere else. The answer is completely nowhere else. For Joey's course, I think this is something very new, something very innovative, and I would say very useful as well. It's effective, and nowhere else can you ever get this type of information. Yeah.
No, not really. I have not been seeing this at other workshops before. It's pretty new and it's really kind of mind-blowing.
No, I have not. Simple and yet it's accurate, and then probably I think can make some profit. I find that is very good, and I went back to check and I found that that's very accurate in the expansion part. I think that is very good. You can just trade on based on this what has been taught by Joey.
The explosive strategy, for me, it's like maybe I've heard of it and I've gone through it, but I've never seen it used this way. The way it's been combined, I think it's very powerful because you can, like I say, it's really applicable, and I think it's simple enough. It's not messy. It's just it's one clear step, so it's easy to follow and understand.
I have not heard of this explosive strategy anywhere else. This is the first time I come across this. And I'm glad that I attended this course. Joey has imparted this wonderful strategy to us. It really blew my mind, and I'm very sure that it will help me very much on my trading. The strategy allows me to know when a stock is going, explode, as in when's the right time to enter the stocks and profit from it. So this has never come across in my trading path, and this is something that I find is very powerful and very wonderful, and I'm very sure I can profit from it. It's simple enough to understand, and if you follow closely to what Joey had taught you, all the signs that to look out for, you can definitely ride on the trend and make from there.
I've never actually seen something like that before, like based on my understanding. It's really something that's refreshing and very unconventional that Joey has come up with. Like, it's actually a very simple concept, but it's something that really makes a whole lot of difference, and I was really impressed when Joey showed it to me for the first time, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how the algorithm will help other traders like myself. Yes, from what I see, you definitely can. And it's a lot easier than you trying to figure it out yourself. You don't need to every day go in, go out. You just follow this one simple plan. I think I would recommend it to everybody that I know. because everybody or anybody that attend this course will change their whole entire outlook on the whole trading system.
I think personally, I've already made serious gains. So I think it's very useful, and I really encourage anyone that's out there wanting to trade profitably to attend Joey's course. Really, because having understand this technique, you really understand, why others are making money in the stock market and why others are not. So for myself, I've made good gains. So if you ask me to recommend this course to anyone, definitely straight away. Yeah.
Make a lot of money. I think that's subjective, but I think you definitely be able to earn quite a bit. Like if you actually follow through and you're able to understand what what he's been teaching and follow through. So I think that you'll be able not drive a Ferrari, but enough.
Oh, definitely will make very serious potential gain. That is why I said it's just a powerful and wonderful strategy. And I wish I could have known this much earlier. I've not seen this anywhere. And Joey had covered it very in depth, and he make it very simple for us to understand. You just have to follow the step by step that he guided you.
Definitely, because I think the strategy really helps us to find the optimal entry and exit points, because Joey has actually shown us examples of how this has actually been effective in the past, and I believe that it can really help us to time our entry and exit points to really make the maximum profits from our trades.